like 5 o'clock here, and we're just not eating. This is supposed to be like a snack after land day, but now it's basically dinner. I don't even know what it's called. And number 6, I recorded the menu. It smells delicious. And then we have the spam musubi. Here's the whole vibe, the restaurants. And I'm excited. 7:52 here. It's like 1 at home, and I'm so tired. We just got to the house. This is me and Chloe's room. It has twin beds. I need to pump the AC. It's kind of musty in the house. Of course, I'll do a whole house tour. I'll probably just do it tomorrow morning whenever it's daylight and looks pretty and stuff. Oh, there's so many little pillows on this bed. I'm just gonna like shove them. The view this morning. My mom with that Sweat Squad shirt on. I can do a house tour now. I don't know where this door is. I guess it goes to the kitchen. I don't know. Here is the side view of the backyard. There's fairy lights, little tanning lounge chairs, some more chairs, kayak or canoe. I don't know. This is the front of the house. Oh my god, look at all the flowers. I'll probably put one in my hair later. So cute. I don't know what this is. It's locked. Here's a little trail. We're literally by the highway. There's the front. Well, I don't know why that was beeping just now. I'm very confused. Going back this way. Here's the here's windows and more seating areas, and there's like a bajillion doors, literally a bajillion doors. There's my brother. To the kitchen. It's a step down, so my dad literally hit his shin earlier because he didn't step over that, so good job, Dad. That's like another room. I'm not gonna show that room because that's where my cousin's staying, but it's just like a normal room. And then the kitchen area, more sliding doors. We have a view of that. Cook, so nice. Official dining area. I literally just almost stubbed my toe on that. There's little mats and a like Roomba thing, and here's a living area. Hadn't even sat on the couch yet, but look at the table. I didn't notice that. Little seashells in it. Cool. A little desk area. This is the front entrance to the house. There's a half bathroom with a sliding door. Yes, sir. And then a bunch of towels like everywhere. This is like the side of the house. So here's the other bathroom. Hello. Just about to have my sunglasses on indoors, whatever. Our shower, and there's like, you know, a bunch of stuff. Also another barn, sliding door, whatever. Then here's me and Chloe's room, which I entered a video of it like yesterday whenever me and Chloe first came, because we obviously like messed up the beds. There's like a bajillion pillows on each of our beds. Yeah, so, and our view is like of the highway basically. My brother's room. And then my parents' room. They obviously did not make their bed, but they have a literal king-size bed. Wish I got a video before the whole house was messed up, but we came to the house like late, and then they have like a view of like the backyard. So yeah, look at the flower. It's so cute. It's a Waimea flower, and it came off like the street in the backyard. I look like a hot mess right now. Bunch of them on the ground. They symbolize like good fortune and blessings and things. And if you wear it on your left ear, you're taken. If you wear it on your right ear, you're single. Next, we went to Hukilau Marketplace. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. It's at the Polynesian Cultural Center. We went there to eat breakfast from Tita's, I believe. I don't think we took any pictures of the food. I'm really not sure, but we just ordered French toast and the breakfast sandwich and the Loco Moco and the omelet, I believe, and it was pretty good. Pretty hearty breakfast, though. On to Waimea Valley or Waimea Falls. We actually had been to this falls before 10 years ago whenever we came to Hawaii the first time. I was actually really sick that day. Like, I think I had like a stomach bug or something, so I was vomiting and I did not walk any of the trail up to the waterfall. I rode like the go-kart up or whatever, the golf cart. So here's a bit of our journey walking up. Currently we're at Waimea Falls and we have to wear our face masks. We're dipping our feet in. See? There's my cousin and mom, and look at the waterfall. So only my brother got in because the water was freezing. There he is. That was us walking back up from dipping our feet in. But now we're waiting in line at, guess what? The tourist trap of Giovanni's shrimp truck. And there was chickens everywhere. There's chickens everywhere in Hawaii, just running around. Honestly, we kind of thought that Giovanni's was overrated. So attack us or don't. I don't know. So now it's 2:19. We're to the Ziplining place. It's a 3-hour tour. I put the GoPro out enough and hit a leave.
By the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay